The config. The configuration is the brain of your hopper. It's the place where you can tell it exactly how you want it to trade. Items with an asterisk above them must be filled in if you want your hopper to trade, and a pro tip is to save your config as much as you can while you're editing it. When you click config, you'll find 4 unique categories. Base config is your main control panel. Config pools allows you to assign specific rules to specific coins. Signals allows you to view the current crypto signals you're subscribed to. Triggers allows you to create customized automated actions to events. We'll go over all of these features in depth soon. For now, we'll head over to the base config. In the base config, you'll find 3 main categories. General is where you can fill in things like your hopper's name. Select paper trading to practice, or fill in your exchange's API keys, or select notifications for your trades. The next 2 are the most important categories. They determine how your hopper decides to buy and sell. In the Buying tab, you'll have Buy Settings, which covers specific rules that dictate how your hopper buys. Then, in Coins and Amounts, you can select what you want your base currency to be, which coins you want to invest in with your base currency, and how much you want to spend per investment. In Strategy, you can set the exact technical indicators that your hopper will follow to buy and sell its coins. Finally, Trailing Stop Buy is another function that allows you to customize how much a coin must increase before your hopper considers it to rise more in the future. Next, the category Selling starts with Sell Settings, which allow you to set how much profit you want to make. Sell Strategy allows your hopper to ignore a set profit percentage, but rather let the indicators determine when the hopper should sell. Stop Loss allows you to set a maximum that an investment can drop to until you cut your losses and sell it. Trailing Stop Loss allows you to ride a coin upwards and sell when it hits a certain amount drop. Auto Close allows you to close positions after a certain amount of time. Finally, Shorting and DCA are great bear market tools. Shorting allows you to sell a position before decline and then buy it back when it hits the price floor. DCA allows you to double or triple up on an investment to lower the return of investment point. That concludes this quick guide through the configuration. Click the links in the description to deep dive into the main categories.